ఒక 20 సెకండ్స్ తర్వాత స్టార్ట్ చేయండి సార్.
A very good morning, children. Welcome to the webinar sessions. Second phase, I should say, because during the pandemic time, we had a lot of webinar sessions where we have completed most of the syllabus, right? This particular webinar session would be concentrating mainly on the upcoming IP Board of Intermediate Examinations. Okay, how to prepare for examination and what is the blueprint or what are the expected questions that may crop up in the question papers. A thorough research, a thorough understanding of the question papers is hereby presented by my colleague G. Venkatramana Rao, PGT Physics, Elagandla. Okay, so I request all the students to follow this webinar session very carefully so that you may score much better than a mere pass. Okay, so Venkatramana Rao sir.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Over to you.
Thank you very much. So good morning, children. And this webinar sessions are especially designed for the betterment of your scoring. So if you follow these sessions carefully, then every student can get a minimum marks of 80%. So not only pass marks, according to the schedule prepared by us, according to the model paper which is given by the Board of Intermediate Education for this particular year. So if you follow this particular kind of strategy, then everybody can score more than 80 to 85 marks, 85% in fact. So planning is very important for the better scoring. So whatever happened, leave it. At least you try to start your revision from today onwards according to our schedule and make your own way of preparation and include this important sessions in the form of important, very, very important questions and topics. So I hope that you are going to get nearly 85 to 90% marks. So we are going to start the exam preparation and analysis session today. And so with the help of the model paper and the revised syllabus given by the Board of Intermediate Education, so Telangana Model School started this revision schedule for the improvement in the preparation of the examination for the students. So preparation for the final exam. So this is the final phase of your preparation. So I hope all of you completed your syllabus and you try to start your revision at least from today onwards. And you have only 28 to 29 days are there. So last 2 days, anyhow, you have to prepare for the first exam. So in fact, you have 20 to 25 days in your hand so that at least you try to start your effective preparation from today onwards. So how to prepare and what are the strategies that we are going to follow, especially to score nearly 50 above marks in physics. So pattern of the question paper for the academic year 2021. So to understand the question paper pattern is very important. So how many questions they'll give and how many questions we have to answer. So in which chapter the questions will come, that anyhow I am going to discuss detailedly. So first we will see the pattern of the question paper. This is only for this academic year 2021. And this is only 70% content in view of the pandemic situation. So 30% syllabus reduced for this academic year. So we'll see the question paper pattern for this academic year as per the revised syllabus. So this is as per the revised syllabus. So remember that point. And in section A, this is very short answer questions. So already you know very short answer questions means each question carries 2 marks. So 10 questions will be given. So you have to answer 10 out of 10. So this session, no choice will be there in this section. So each question carries 2 marks. So 10 into 2, 20 marks. So answering these questions is very important because you can score easily because these are very short answer questions. So you have to write what is the key point involved or what is the important point involved in that particular question. So according to the scheme of evaluation, if you write that key point, then you are going to be awarded full marks. So you have to write only in few words. So the students can score easily very good marks. Meeru ఏ పాయింట్ అయితే క్లియర్ గా కీవర్డ్ లాగా ఉంటుందో 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కి ఆ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ ఓన్లీ ఫ్యూ వర్డ్స్ లో రాస్తే యూ విల్ గెట్ ఫుల్ మార్క్స్. సో స్కోరింగ్ ఫుల్ మార్క్స్, దట్ ఇస్ వాట్ 2 out of 2 marks is very easy in this session because it's not too lengthy like long answer questions or 4 marks questions. So you can score easily if you write in one or two lines with few words, then you can score easily 2 marks. So 10 out of 10. This is question number 1 to 10. So section A, very short answer questions. Question number 1 to 10. No choice in this section. Remember children. So those who want to score full marks, that is 60 out of 60, this section is crucial. And those who want to score or those who want to pass at least, for those students also this section is very important. ఎవరైతే ఫుల్ మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకోవాలనుకున్నారో వాళ్ళకి ప్లస్ ఎవరైతే మినిమం పాస్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారో వాళ్ళకి ఇద్దరికి కూడా దిస్ సెక్షన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్ సెక్షన్. సో while you are preparing for 2 marks questions, make a note of key points and write it in your notebook once while you are preparing for especially 2 marks. Right children? So moving to next section. Section B, short answer questions. That means 4 marks questions. So we have to write 6 out of 12 questions. So lot of choice is there, 50% choice. This choice is especially overall choice. మీకు సెక్షన్ లో 12 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తారు, 4 మార్క్స్ సెక్షన్స్, దట్ ఈస్ షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్ సెక్షన్. 12 క్వశ్చన్స్ విల్ బి గివెన్. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఓన్లీ ఎనీ 6 క్వశ్చన్స్. దిస్ ఈస్ ఓవరాల్ చాయిస్. ఈ 12 క్వశ్చన్స్ లో ఏ 6 క్వశ్చన్స్ అయినా రాయొచ్చు మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ లో. సో సెలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ వైల్ యూ ఆర్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ is very important. Anyhow, we are going to guide which questions you have to select and from which chapters you have to select to answer this section for 4 marks. So 6 questions you have to answer, 6 into 4, 24 marks. So total 24 marks. This is from question number 11 to 22. So question number 11 to question number 22 is 4 marks section. And in this session, according to scheme of evaluation, you have to write the answer. Okay. For example, if definition is there for any question, write the definition, required diagram, explanation, and conclusion. So these are the 4 important steps to get full marks. 4 out of 4 marks you can score. For example, if you have parallelogram law of addition of vectors, if you want to write the answer for that question, write the statement. For that you will get 1 mark. Then diagram, for that you will get 1 mark. And magnitude of the resultant, for that 1 mark. And direction for the resultant, you will get 1 mark. So these are the areas you have to focus. So what are the steps should be included in the answer according to the given question? క్వశ్చన్ లో ఏమి ఇచ్చారు, మనం ఏమేం పాయింట్స్ రాయాలి. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు పుట్ ఇట్ ఆన్ ద పేపర్. మీరు క్వశ్చన్ ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు ఈచ్ పాయింట్ రాసుకోండి. స్టేట్మెంట్, ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ విత్ ద డయాగ్రామ్, magnitude and direction. Like that, this is the example question I'm taking. So like that, every question you can prepare according to the scheme of evaluation. Anyhow, we will explain those according to scheme of evaluation. Right, children? Coming to next important session, that is long answer question, section C. So they'll give 4 questions. Manaki 4 questions istaru. You have to write only 2 out of 4. Meeru ఎనీ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ లో. సో ఏ చాప్టర్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి ఈ లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్ రాయడానికి, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సి వీ హ్యావ్ లెస్ టైమ్. సో స్మార్ట్ వే ఆఫ్ ప్రిపరేషన్ by covering all the topics. We have to cover all the topics, and at the same time our preparation should be smart to get good marks in the examination. So what are the steps to be followed in writing long answer question? I'll explain detailedly by taking a question as an example in the coming sessions. So section C, long answer question, you have to write 2 out of 4. That is question number 23 to 26. So 2 into 8, 16 marks, and the paper is a total for 60 marks. So very short answer questions, each question 2 marks, short answer question 4 marks, long answer question 8 marks. And remember one thing, in long answer questions, some problems are also important. So even we are going to discuss few problems, a very few problems which are going to come in the examination, expected questions, and along with the problems in the examination. Right, children? I hope you understood. So this is the question paper pattern for this academic year as per the revised syllabus. And coming to the most important thing for our preparation, we should be aware of which question will come from which chapter and what is the weightage of the chapter according to the new revised syllabus. That is the expected blueprint for this academic year by considering 70% of the content. Right. Observe, children. So this is going to give a clear picture of the preparation, how to prepare and which chapter we have to select for the better scoring. So you can see, children, so if you see the clearly chapter wise weightage, we are going to according to chapter wise. Right. So first, if you take physical world, so this is a very, very easy chapter. So physical world, from physical world, you are going to get only one very short answer question. From this chapter, you will get only one very short answer question. So preparing this chapter is very easy. Okay. According to the revised syllabus, we have only 2 questions in this chapter. Only 2 questions are there in this chapter according to the revised syllabus. Out of that, 1 question will come in the examination. So you will get 2 marks from this chapter. So preparing this chapter for the academic year is very easy. So according to the syllabus, we have only 2 very short answer questions in this chapter. And from that, 1 question will come and you'll get 2 marks. So this chapter is only for very short answer questions. And coming to the second chapter, units and measurements. In this chapter also, only 1 question will come in the exam. But in this chapter, we have the different questions, more questions are there. You'll have 5 to 6 questions, very, very important questions. Out of that, 1 question will come in the examination. So the weightage of this chapter is only 2 marks. So these 2 chapters are exclusively for very short answer questions. So only very short answer questions will come from these 2 chapters, the first 2 chapters. So you'll get 4 marks. So you can score easily 4 marks by selecting the questions, which are very important. And coming to third chapter. So coming to the third chapter, motion in a straight line. So in this chapter, 2 4 marks questions will come. So from this chapter, 2 4 marks questions will come. So 2 into 4, that is 8 marks. So this is the beginning chapter, so that you can concentrate more, and easy chapter also. So how many questions we have to write for 4 marks? Only 6 questions out of 12. So out of 12 questions, you have to write only 6. From this chapter itself, you are going to get 2 questions according to the revised pattern of the question paper. So expected questions from this chapter. So 2 questions will come out of 6. You can select 2 questions from this chapter. So you will get 8 marks. So with your effective preparation, you can select this chapter for 4 marks section, and you can easily score 8 marks. And coming to motion in a plane. So most of the expected questions are there from this chapter. The very, very frequently asked questions, and you can expect compulsory questions from this chapter with the scenario of the last question papers, previous year's question papers. So 2 questions for 4 marks, that is 2 into 4, 8 marks, and 1 2 marks question. So total 8 plus 2, 10 marks will come from this chapter. So this is very, very, very important chapter for scoring. So if you select this chapter, you can score 10 marks. Out of total 60 marks, you are going to get 10 marks from this chapter itself. Okay. So 1/6 of the marks. Now coming to next chapter, laws of motion. So in this chapter, only 1 4 marks question will come. 1 into 4, 4 marks, and 1 2 marks question will come, that is 2 marks. So in this chapter, if you concentrate on the concept of friction, very, very, very important topic for the exam. So if you concentrate on the friction, that is how friction can be minimized, what are the methods to minimize the friction, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of friction. So if you concentrate on that question, maximum chances are there for that question to come in the exam. But we are going to concentrate on the remaining questions also. But so 1 question will come for 4 marks in this session. So that is very important in this chapter. So weightage of this chapter is 6 marks. And coming to, so one of the most weightage chapter for this academic year, that is work, energy and power. So this is the highest marks chapter as far as the new weightage is concerned, new expected weightage is concerned. So 2 long answers you have to write. You have to write 2 long answers in section C. So from this chapter itself, 2 long answer questions will come. So if you prepare well this chapter in an effective way, perfect preparation of this chapter for long answer session, you can write the 2 long answer questions from this chapter itself. So no need of worry. So you can select 2 long answer questions from this chapter. Out of 4 long answers, you can select 2 long answers from this chapter, not 4, only 3 are there. According to the textbook, we have 3 long answer questions from this chapter. Out of those 3 long answers, you will get 2 long answer questions. So how easy for you? So if you read those 3 long answer questions, you can get 2 long answer questions. That what you have to write in the exam is also only 2 long answers. So this is the best choice for the long answer question. So you can select 16, you can score 16 marks here itself. So this is how long answer section you can answer. And now coming to system of particles, next chapter. So in system of particles, you are going to get 2 very short answer questions, 2 into 2, 4 marks, and 1 short answer question, that is 4 marks. So weightage of this chapter is 8 marks. So as far as very short answer questions is concerned, this chapter is very, very important, because 2 questions will come from this chapter. Manam rayalsina 10 questions lo 2 questions vastayi ee chapter lo. So system of particles is going to have an important role in very short answer questions. And coming to oscillations, in oscillation chapter, only long answer questions will come according to the new revised pattern. Only one long answer question will come. In this chapter also we have 3 long answers. Out of that, 1 question will come in the exam. So you can select this question also for writing long answer session. But if you think smart, then you can complete the long answer section in work power energy itself. Now, coming to one of the another very easy and important and scoring chapter is gravitation. So you can score easily 8 marks because this is very easy chapter, and few questions, only 4 questions are there according to the 70% syllabus which is given. So out of that, 2 questions will come in the exam. So 4 total, out of 4 questions, you will get 2 questions in the exam. So this is very easy chapter to select for the 4 mark section. So 2 into 4, 8 marks. So you can get easily 8 marks. Okay. So what are those important questions? I'll explain detailedly. Now, mechanical properties of solids. So this chapter is only for 4 marks. 1 4-mark question will come from this chapter. And mechanical properties of fluids. So this is also important topic for 2 marks. So you'll get 2 questions for 2 marks, 2 into 2, 4 marks. So selecting the chapters for writing very short answers, that is 2 marks. 2 marks questions కోసం chapters select చేసుకోవడం చాలా easy. And ఏ చాప్టర్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే మనము మాక్సిమం 8 క్వశ్చన్స్ రాయొచ్చు ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో అనేది నేను మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. సో అలాంటి చాప్టర్స్ లో మెకానికల్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లూయిడ్స్ కూడా ఒకటి. సో యూ కెన్ గెట్ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ చాప్టర్. నౌ కమింగ్ టు థర్మల్ ప్రాపర్టీస్. సో దిస్ is also important chapter as far as examination is concerned, because 1 long answer question and 1 short answer question. And according to new syllabus, short answer question, selecting 4 mark question from this chapter is very easy. Only 2 questions are there according to the 70% syllabus. So that if you select those 2 questions for our preparation, then you can get 1 question definitely in the exam and you can write that answer. So this is a good choice for selecting 4 marks rather than 8 marks question. So anyhow, we are going to explain the 8 marks question also. So only 1 8 marks question is there in this according to new syllabus. But according to our experts' knowledge and according to the given revised syllabus, selecting 4 marks from this chapter is a better choice. And coming to the next chapter, thermodynamics. So this is also a good choice for 4 marks question. So 2 4 mark questions will come from this chapter, 2 into 4, 8 marks. So the weightage of this chapter is 8 marks. So except 4 mark question, nothing will come from this chapter according to the revised pattern. That is expected according to the expected pattern of the question paper. So now another important chapter for 2 marks is kinetic theory of gases. So kinetic theory of gases is an easy chapter because you have these the knowledge of this chapter even in chemistry also. So in both the subjects you are familiar with this chapter, so you can write easily the answers, and especially this is 2 marks, so writing the answer for 2 marks is very easy. So 4 marks from this chapter. So this is the expected question paper pattern according to the Board of Intermediate Education given. So this is the expected blueprint. Understood? Now coming to what is the syllabus and what and which areas we have to concentrate according to the syllabus given, according to the 70% syllabus given. So which areas we have to concentrate? So first chapter, already I told clearly, from the first chapter, physical world, only 1 very short answer question will come. So this chapter carries 2 marks, and the concepts in this chapter are what is physics, and fundamental forces in nature. Only these two topics are there. The remaining total syllabus from this chapter is reduced for this year. And coming to units and measurements, this chapter also already we discussed. 2 marks question. Weightage of this chapter is total 2 marks again. So introduction, international system of units, length, mass, time, accuracy and precision, very important topic. Accuracy and precision is very important as far as the examination is concerned. And coming to the important topic in this session, accuracy and precision is very important, significant figures is important, and dimensional quantities is important for 2 marks questions. Okay, so this is the pattern of the 2 marks questions from these 2 chapters, right? So coming to the next, motion in a straight line. So in this, most probably 1 4 marks question will come in the form of a problem. So anyhow, we are going to discuss the problem, and then instantaneous velocity and average velocity, and then a relative velocity. So these are the concepts, and based on these concepts, which questions that we have to discuss, we are going to discuss those questions in detail. And motion in a plane, the most important chapter. You can see 2 plus 4 plus 4, 10 marks. So 10 marks will come from this chapter. So very important chapter. 2 plus 4 plus 4, 2, 1 very short answer question, 1 4 mark question, 1 4 mark question. So total weightage of this chapter is 10. The most important topics are there in this chapter: parallelogram law of vectors, projectile motion, and a bar plus b bar modulus is equal to a bar minus b bar modulus. So most expected and important questions are there in this chapter. Coming to laws of motion, the weightage is 6 marks, and these are the syllabus according to the revised pattern: conservation of momentum, equilibrium, common forces, and circular motion. And work per energy. So work per energy, the most important chapter, the highest weightage chapter. I'm saying again and again, this is the smart way of selecting. You can score above 55 marks, especially in physics. So both the long answers you can write from this chapter according to the new pattern. So 16 marks. Notions of work and energy, work energy theorem, 6.2. So very important question, 6.2. Notions of work and kinetic energy. So very important topic. And coming to work done by the variable force and conservation of mechanical energy, one of the most important topic. So how the conservation of mechanical energy can be proved in case of freely falling body, right? And coming to system of particles, this chapter is important for 2 marks questions, of course 4 marks also, but 2 marks questions will come from this chapter. And these are the topics: center of mass, linear momentum, vector product, very important topic, vector product properties with examples. And coming to moment of inertia, angular momentum. So these are all the topics. And coming to the next chapter, oscillations. So 1 long answer question will come from this chapter, especially the pendulum. Show that the motion of simple pendulum is simple harmonic, and the projection of uniform circular motion on any diameter is simple harmonic. So these 2 answers are very important, the expected questions for the exam. And gravitation. So already told very clearly, a smart way of selecting, the question is gravitation. So we have only few topics in this session. So geostationary satellites are there, escape velocity is there. So according to the new syllabus, selecting the questions from this chapter is very easy. So you can score full marks from this chapter. And mechanical properties of solids, only 1 4 mark question will come from this chapter, that is the elastic behavior and Young's modulus. So how the Young's modulus can be explained, and stress strain curve, one of the most important expected topic, stress strain curve. So this is the important topic in this chapter. So stress strain curve. So this is the very, very important topic in this chapter. So stress strain curve and modulus of elasticity. So these are the very, very important topics from this chapter. Now coming to the mechanical properties of fluids, only very short answer questions will come from this chapter. So two marks questions. You can easily select the questions. Only few questions will be there in this chapter. From that you can select the important questions, so that you can write two marks questions from this chapter. Next, thermal properties of matter, chapter 12. So this is also a very important chapter for examination. One long answer and one 4-mark question will come from this chapter. Okay, so especially for 8 marks, you can expect Newton's law of cooling. So only according to the syllabus given, only that question is there in long answers. So only Newton's law of cooling is there according to the new reduced syllabus. So if you read that question, you can write the long answer from this chapter. And one 4-mark question. So that 4-mark question is also there according to thermal expansion, that is pendulum clocks, and how what is the reason behind why the pendulum clocks run slow in summer and fast in winter. And ideal gas equations, the Boyle's law, Charles' law, those questions. And thermodynamics. So this is also important chapter for 4 marks. So you'll get two 4-mark questions from this chapter. That is various thermodynamic process, and easy topics are there in this. And what is that? First law of thermodynamics, very, very important topic. The first law of thermodynamics. What is first law of thermodynamics is very important, because 2 questions will come from this chapter. So don't leave this chapter. So very important to write 4-mark question from this chapter. So we are going to discuss the list of questions in the coming sessions. And kinetic theory, the most important chapter for 2 marks. So 2 questions will come, 2 + 2, 4 marks. So this is the weightage of the whole chapters according to the revised syllabus. And coming to the how to score good marks. So how to score a very good marks, that is more than 50 marks. So not only pass, don't keep yourself, don't restrict yourself to 30 marks or 40 marks like that. Of course, and everybody should pass. But if you follow thoroughly what we are teaching according to the reduced syllabus, then definitely everybody is going to pass. And I'm sure everybody will get more than 45 to 50 marks. Okay. And even you can score full marks also. And already you can see the star marks I marked here. So which are the chapters are going to have highest weightage? That is motion in a plane, 10 marks, motion in a straight line, 8 marks, and work, energy and power, 16 marks. So these 3 chapters consisting of 34 marks according to the revised syllabus. Follow carefully, children. So if you select these 3 chapters, that means if you see carefully, motion in a straight line, motion in a plane, and work, energy and power, these 3 chapters weightage itself is 34 marks. So from 3 chapters, you will get 34 marks. So this is the smart way of selecting the chapters. So easily you can score who are weak in subject, or who are not understanding, who are feeling difficult to score good marks in physics. You can select these 3 chapters. For at least you can score 30 marks. The minimum you can score 30 marks if you read these 3 chapters thoroughly. And coming to next, gravitation. Gravitation is 80 marks. Easy way of scoring marks is one of the chapter is gravitation and thermodynamics. So gravitation 8 marks and thermodynamics 8 marks. So total 5 chapters is going to carry 34 plus 8, 42 marks. So this is a very easy way of preparation. So from 5 chapters, you can score, from 5 chapters, you can score 42 marks. So I'm going to show how. So if you follow and if you revise this video again, you can see clearly the 3-star marks chapters are there. If you follow those 3-star chapters in the weightage list, so those 3-star chapters are going to contribute 42 marks. So motion in a straight line, plane, and then gravitation, work, energy, and power. And these are the chapters which are going to have very easy answers. Selection of the questions is very easy, and getting good marks is also very easy from these chapters. So I hope you understood well. So the selecting the chapters and smart way of preparation, these two are going to give a full marks for you in this short span of time. So students, get motivate yourself and don't feel anything bad, because nothing is going to happen. You can score very good marks in according to the new pattern of examination. And coming to most important chapters to score good marks, as we discussed, as per revised model paper. Work, energy, and power. 2 long answers, 16 marks. Motion in a straight line, 8 marks. Motion in a plane, 10 marks. And gravitation, 8 marks. Thermodynamics, 8 marks. So as per revised model paper and expected blueprint, if you read these chapters, you can write long answers and you can write 4 marks questions, all. 2 long answers you can write and 6 short answers, 6 4 mark questions you can write. So 16 plus 8, 24, 10, 34, 34 plus 8, 42 plus 8, 50 marks are there in this slide. You can see, if you see this slide with only 5 chapters, by preparing thoroughly the 5 chapters, these 5 chapters, all the questions, don't leave any question from this chapter, because very, very important and highest weightage chapters. So from these 5 chapters itself, you can score nearly 50 marks. So there's no question of fail in the physics exam. So everybody will score more than 40 marks. So you can see the weightage and chapters. Work, energy, power, 16 marks. Motion in a straight line, 8 marks. Motion in a plane, 10 marks. Gravitation, easy chapter, 8 marks. And thermodynamics, 8 marks. So 50 marks are there in this slide by selecting these 5 chapters. I hope, students, I hope you understood well. Okay, and start your preparation from this moment onwards with more energy. And most important chapter to score good marks, very short answer questions. So this is crucial. Which chapters, according to the given revised syllabus, which chapters we have to select to write very short answers. So this is the list you can see. Physical world. According to new syllabus, we have only 2 questions in this chapter. Remember, children, concentrate. Only 2 questions are there in this chapter according to 70% syllabus. Out of that, 1 question will come. And units and measurements, 1 question will come. These 2 chapters are exclusively for very short answers. No other question will come from these 2 chapters. Only 2 marks questions. So you prepare only 2 marks questions from this chapter. No need to prepare any other question from these chapters. So 2 questions completed. Now coming to system of particles. If you read 2 marks questions from system of particles, you'll get 2 questions. So 4 questions completed. Mechanical properties of fluids. This chapter is also exclusively for 2 marks according to new pattern. So 6 questions completed. Kinetic theory of gases. Again, according to new revised model paper, 2 questions from kinetic theory of. So you can see, children, how many questions completed. So total 8 questions are there in this list. So total 8 questions are there in this list, where you can score 8 into 2, 16 marks. So total very short answer questions are 20 marks. With this 5 chapters, you can score 16 marks out of 20. So this is the selection of the chapters in a smart way. So which chapters you have to select? The list of chapters is there according to the new revised model paper. So if you concentrate on these chapters exclusively for 2 marks, you can write 8 2 marks questions out of 10. And with a less effort, you can score 16 marks, because only few lines and some words are enough to write the 2 marks questions, which are very keywords. I'll take one example chapter and I'll explain how to write the answers. Is that clear, children? So I hope you understood well. Andarki ardhamaindi anukunta. And let's start how to write. So let's start our preparation with the 2 marks questions. So the day where you are starting is the good day for us. So let us start our preparation. So physical world. So only one question will come in the examination. In our syllabus, according to new revised syllabus, we have only 2 questions. One question will come. So first question, what is physics? This is the general question. So what is physics? So the answer is, physics is the branch of science which deals with the study of basic laws of nature and different natural phenomena. So the answer, which is highlighted in red color, you can see study of basic laws of nature and different natural phenomena. That is the keyword. That is the keyword. That keyword should be there in your answer. So if you miss that one, you are not going to get the answer. You are not going to get the marks. So scoring 2 marks is very easy. See, if you write study of basic laws of nature and different natural phenomena, basic laws of nature ni different natural phenomena ni చదవడానికి physics use అవుతుంది. General physics ఎందుకు చదువుకుంటాం మనము అంటే to study the laws of nature and different natural phenomena. 2 marks. So the highlighted portion with red color, that is the keyword or key point to answer this question. And what are the fundamental forces in nature? So what are the fundamental forces in nature? This is a highly expected question, the very, very important and expected question for this year. So what are the fundamental forces in nature? We have many kind of forces in nature, but any force is going to come under some basic forces, which are fundamental forces. For example, friction is a force, but it is not a basic force. It should come under any of these forces. Viscosity is a force, that is also should be a part of among all these 4 forces, which are basic forces in nature. So what are those basic forces? So the fundamental or basic forces in nature are only 4 forces. If you write these 4, you'll get 2 marks. Gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, and weak nuclear force. So these 4 forces are the basic forces or fundamental forces in nature. So if you write these 4 forces, that's it. That is the answer. So you'll get 2 marks. So this is how we can write the answers for 2 marks. So writing the answers for 2 marks is writing the keywords in few words, 1 or 2 lines. So whatever he is asking in the question, so straight away write the answer for that question. You can get easily 2 marks. Okay. And in 1 year, he asked what is the order in the ascending order. He asked to arrange these forces in ascending order. So in that you can see this is the order. I'm giving that order also. The gravity, the strongest is, this is the strongest, the first rank. Strong nuclear force is the first, the strongest force among all. The next second rank, this is the ascending order. sorry, this descending order. The next least is electromagnetic force. Then third one is weak nuclear force. And the least magnitude of force is gravitational force. So you can prepare the order also. So they may ask sometimes the order. So fundamental forces in nature are gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, and weak nuclear force. And if they ask to arrange in the order, the strongest force is strong nuclear force. The strongest is strong nuclear force. This is the first one. And then electromagnetic, and then weak nuclear force, and then last gravitational force. So gravitational force is the weakest of all the forces, and strong nuclear force is the strongest among all the forces. So this is the way to write the answer, right? So I hope you understood the session. And in this session, I explained very clearly what is the weightage according to the new 70% syllabus, which is given by Board of Intermediate, and what is the weightage of individual chapters, and on which areas and which chapters we have to select for the better scoring, and which chapters are going to give more weightage. And if you concentrate on those chapters in a smart way, you can score nearly 90% of the marks, and no failure will be there in the physics exam. Understood? So try to follow these sessions carefully. Don't skip the sessions. If you have not enough time to see the live session, so definitely you can see after the live session also in the form of recorded version. But don't neglect these sessions. You are going to get truly 90% of the marks if you follow. Thank you, children. So we'll meet in another wonderful session. Thank you, madam. And thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ramana Rao sir. That was a very, what to say, a very extended version that you have given us. Hope all children will revisit the video once again, note down what are the important topics that need to be covered to score better in the upcoming first year examinations. Okay. And I also request all the students, here I need to make a point. Students, all of you should have had 1 month of physical classes, wherein most of the teachers, physics teachers who have taught you, they should have covered all these questions prior. Okay, so go through the notes once again, have your textbooks with yourself, right? And follow the session carefully hereafter. Okay, in case you have any doubts, please consult your teachers so that they'll help you out. Okay, Ramana Rao sir, thank you once again.
Thank you, sir.
Hope you have you will extend the same vigor and commitment for the model school fraternity,
Sure,
for the
sure.
entire model school students. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
శ్రీకాంత్ సార్ మీది మ్యూట్ అయింది.
మేడం
మేడం మాట్లాడిన తర్వాత మ్యూట్ పెట్టాను.
అవునా? ఓకే.
కంక్లూడ్ చేశాకనే మ్యూట్ చేశాను మేడం. హలో.